one at the window right here.
Okay.
And we have two at this doorway.
Oh, I see him. Hit! 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 Hit!
So right here, there's two at this doorway. And on this far right, there's one just peeking this window. So don't peek right here. Hey, look at this window. It's safe. Watch, I'll go first, just so you can see. Look at the window, because the window's covered. See him? I think we're teammates are going there, right? Wait. See if I can get the window. No. Ooh, that's scary. That was close. You want to get some shots out, or? Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. You alright, man? Yeah. Sorry, I hit your foot. I'm so sorry. Oh, yo, get down. Right, you can use the window to look in. No, you'll be safe if you look at the window. Watch. You'll see where they are. At the far right window.
There's one dude right behind that wall.
My teammates are on them, so. He's on your left when you enter! What's that? How many minutes? Yeah. I think like 2 or 3 minutes. They're gonna come through here, so if we guard this and stay alive, we'll be fine. You alright, man? You saw your light flash?
One right there!
I think we just stay alive, wait for them to run out. They're gonna have to run out. He left the window. They might leave to the back right now. There's a back entrance that way. Our teammate's right there at the window. What's up? They're gonna run out. No. Good try, man. Fuck, got me at the worst spot.
Am I recording? Is that red?
Yeah, it is. You're good.
Thanks.
Wish I had that range.
Yeah, I got a little bit. Oh!
Yeah, so here's by this one. I see him, but hold on. I got him. I don't see him. I don't see him. I see it. What's up?
If we can get a guy to crawl through the center lane, we can get somebody in there.
You have to be one of the teammates.
Yeah.
I feel like we're just holding it for now.
Honestly, you and I have a pretty good angle up here.
Yeah.